Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So the purpose of this video is some people are saying from my video yesterday that they heard a knocking in the motor on the 59. Absolutely an untruth. I'm going to post clips of this car running in the last part of this video. There's a lot of things that are kind of loose. The exhaust on the car is absolutely shot. The air cleaner kind of wobbles a little bit on the top of the carburetor, so there's a vibration there. There's a lot of little noises that just need to be tuned up and buttoned up, but there is absolutely no knocking in the motor of this car. It's at a very low RPM right now. It's just idling, and the idle is actually pretty low now that we've got the car, you know, running and we've ran it a lot, but the oil's clean, there's no noises. So for any potential buyers, I want everybody to just listen to this video and see what I'm talking about, but there's definitely no knocking in the motor. There's some growling in the power steering pump right here. We checked the fluid on that, added some, but there's a little bit of a growl, so maybe want to put some Lucas conditioner in it. But again, this car has sat for a couple years, so possibly it just needs to be driven to work some bugs out. But like I said, there's a slight noise in the power steering pump there, but that's it. As for knocking or any engine noise, this thing is as quiet as a mouse. Adding some tranny fluid right now. It's a little bit low. But as you guys can hear, there is absolutely no noise in this motor. Huh? Yeah, I think it was the muffler too. I think there's a loose hanger. Yep. Yeah, the mufflers, like I said, are shot.
The registry. I mean, there's vacuum lines that are cut. There's spark plug wires that burn through.
Yeah, it needs some cleanup, some love. Like we were just saying, I don't know if you could hear him. There's a vacuum line that's been cut through. There's some spark plug wires that are kind of laying in places they shouldn't be. They're a little, you know, singed. Again, car that's been sitting for a long time. We haven't done anything to it. Literally just poured gas in it yesterday and fired it up. So, yeah, just wanted everybody to hear this. But like I said, I mean, it's at a very low RPM right now, a very low lope. The idle needs to be upped. But I mean, it's quiet as can be right now with just sitting here loping along.
hear some sheet metal vibrating. Probably the muffler.
Yeah, the mufflers are shot.
I mean, you can hear those back there.
That's the power steering that you hear growling right there a little bit. As I said, again, I mean, the car's sat for a while. I don't really know what people expect when they say, oh, we're hearing noises. It's like, yeah, I'm sure you are hearing some noises. But again, for just pouring gas in it and just going, it's pretty amazing.